What if the secret to building muscle after 60 has nothing to do with your workout, and everything to do with what you eat right before you fall asleep? Most people over 60 believe muscle loss is simply unavoidable, an inevitable consequence of aging that no amount of effort can truly reverse. But science tells a very different story, one that revolves around a concept called muscle protein synthesis happening while you rest. Your body actually repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue during deep sleep, not while you're lifting weights in the gym. This means the food choices you make in the final hour before bedtime could be sabotaging or supercharging your strength. After age 60, your body becomes less efficient at converting protein into usable muscle, a process scientists call anabolic resistance. This makes nighttime nutrition far more critical than it ever was in your 20s, 30s, or 40s. The right foods before bed can flood your bloodstream with slow-digesting amino acids throughout the entire night. The wrong foods, or simply skipping this nighttime window entirely, leaves your muscles starving for hours while you sleep. Today, we're breaking down 10 specific foods that research suggests can help maximize overnight muscle repair and growth after 60. Alright, let's get started. Food number 1, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually throughout your entire sleep cycle. This steady release prevents the muscle breakdown that often occurs during the long overnight fasting period most people experience. A single cup provides roughly 25 grams of high-quality protein with minimal carbohydrates or unnecessary added sugars. Research on older adults shows casein before bed increases overnight muscle protein synthesis rates compared to no protein at all. Pairing cottage cheese with a small amount of healthy fat can further slow digestion and extend amino acid availability. Food number 2, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt offers a powerful combination of casein and whey proteins that work together to support muscle repair overnight. Unlike regular yogurt, the straining process removes excess whey, concentrating protein content while reducing overall sugar levels significantly. A typical serving delivers between 15 and 20 grams of protein along with beneficial probiotics for gut health. Healthy gut bacteria have been linked to improved nutrient absorption, which becomes increasingly important as digestive efficiency naturally declines with age. Choosing plain, unsweetened varieties avoids the added sugars that can interfere with quality sleep and recovery. Food number 3, eggs. Eggs are widely considered one of the most complete protein sources available, containing all 9 essential amino acids needed. They are particularly rich in leucine, the specific amino acid that directly triggers the muscle-building process called protein synthesis. 2 whole eggs eaten before bed provide approximately 12 to 14 grams of highly bioavailable protein for your body. Eggs also contain choline, a nutrient that supports brain health and may improve sleep quality through neurotransmitter regulation. Hard-boiling eggs in advance makes this an extremely convenient grab-and-go option for busy evening routines. Food number 4, almonds. Almonds combine modest amounts of plant-based protein with healthy fats that help slow overall digestion throughout the night. A small handful, roughly 23 almonds, contains about 6 grams of protein alongside beneficial magnesium and vitamin E. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle relaxation and has been shown to improve overall sleep quality in adults. Better sleep quality directly correlates with improved growth hormone release, which is essential for effective muscle repair after 60. Almonds also provide healthy monounsaturated fats that support joint health, reducing inflammation that can hinder muscle recovery. Food number 5, turkey breast. Turkey breast is naturally rich in tryptophan, an amino acid precursor to serotonin and melatonin, hormones that regulate sleep. Beyond promoting better rest, turkey delivers approximately 25 grams of lean protein per 3-ounce serving with minimal fat. This lean profile makes it ideal for older adults managing cardiovascular health while still prioritizing adequate protein intake for muscle maintenance. The combination of quality sleep support and substantial protein content makes turkey a uniquely effective dual-purpose nighttime food choice. A small slice eaten an hour before bed won't disrupt digestion or interfere with falling asleep comfortably. Food number 6, edamame. Edamame, young soybeans, stands out as one of the few plant foods offering a complete protein profile. A single cup provides roughly 17 grams of protein, making it unusually substantial for a plant-based snack. As a complete protein, it supplies all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, which directly triggers muscle repair. Edamame also contains fiber and magnesium, 2 nutrients that support digestion and promote deeper, more restorative sleep quality. Lightly steamed and salted, it requires minimal preparation, making it an easy everyday addition to a nighttime routine. Food number 7, tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice isn't a significant protein source, but it offers unique benefits that support the broader muscle recovery process. It contains naturally occurring melatonin, which may help improve sleep duration and overall sleep quality in older adults. Quality sleep is directly tied to growth hormone secretion, a critical factor in effective overnight muscle repair and regeneration. Tart cherries also contain powerful anthocyanins, antioxidant compounds shown to reduce exercise-induced inflammation and muscle soreness in studies. A small glass consumed an hour or 2 before bed can complement protein intake effectively. Food number 8, canned tuna. Canned tuna is an inexpensive, shelf-stable protein source that delivers roughly 20 grams of lean protein per small can. Its lean composition makes it ideal for older adults focused on muscle maintenance without excessive saturated fat intake. Tuna also contains omega-3 fatty acids, which research links to reduced inflammation and improved muscle protein synthesis efficiency. Reduced inflammation matters significantly after 60, when chronic low-grade inflammation can interfere with the body's natural recovery processes. A small portion eaten plain or mixed with a little olive oil makes a simple evening option. Food number 9, peanut butter. Peanut butter combines plant-based protein with healthy fats, creating a nutrient-dense option that digests slowly throughout the night. 2 tablespoons provide approximately 8 grams of protein along with beneficial monounsaturated fats that support heart health. The natural fat content slows gastric emptying, which helps extend the release of amino acids into your bloodstream overnight. Peanut butter also contains arginine, an amino acid involved in growth hormone production and improved blood flow to muscles. Spreading it on a small apple slice or whole grain toast adds fiber without excessive added sugar. Food number 10, milk. Milk has long been studied as an effective recovery beverage, containing both fast-digesting whey and slow-digesting casein proteins together. A single cup provides roughly 8 grams of protein along with calcium, vitamin D, and potassium for muscle function. Vitamin D deficiency is common in older adults and has been linked to decreased muscle strength and increased fall risk. Drinking milk before bed supports both immediate and extended overnight amino acid availability, covering the entire sleep cycle effectively. Warm milk specifically has also been associated with improved sleep onset, adding a relaxation benefit alongside its nutrition. Dear viewers, these 10 simple foods can genuinely make a difference in how your body builds and holds onto muscle after 60. The big takeaway here is that what you eat before bed matters just as much as what you do in the gym. Your body does its best repair work overnight, and without the right fuel, that recovery window goes to waste. Start small, stay consistent, and give your body the nightly support it needs to stay strong, capable, and energized well into your 60s and beyond. If this video gave you something valuable, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss another video packed with natural health insights like this one. Until next time, stay healthy and take care of your body.